Sliding patio doors. Love's Park offer a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. These doors are available in various styles and materials, including vinyl and aluminum, to suit any architectural design. Sliding patio doors, Love's Park are perfect for homeowners looking to maximize natural light and enjoy unobstructed views of their gardens or patios. French patio doors. Love's Park provides a classic and elegant touch to any home. These doors are not only stylish but also functional, offering easy access to outdoor areas. French doors installation. Love's Park is ideal for those who appreciate traditional design elements combined with modern functionality. Energy-efficient patio doors. Love's Park are essential for reducing energy costs and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These doors are designed with advanced insulation technologies, such as double-pane glass, to minimize heat transfer. Energy-efficient doors. Love's Park help homeowners save on heating and cooling bills while contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Custom patio doors. Love's Park allow homeowners to personalize their entryways to match their unique style and preferences. Whether you prefer sliding, French, or another style, custom patio doors. Love's Park can be tailored to fit any size or design requirement. These doors offer flexibility in materials, finishes, and hardware options. Patio door replacement services in Love's Park ensure that your doors function smoothly and efficiently. Common issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, or malfunctioning tracks can be addressed by professional patio doors. Love's Park replacement. Regular maintenance and timely replacements can extend the lifespan of your doors and enhance their performance. Patio door replacement. Love's Park is a practical solution for outdated or damaged doors. Upgrading to new patio doors can improve energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. Patio door replacement. Love's Park offers a wide range of options, including vinyl, aluminum, and glass doors to suit any home style. Vinyl patio doors. Love's Park are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These doors are resistant to weathering, making them ideal for the varying climate conditions in Love's Park. Vinyl doors. Love's Park IL provide excellent insulation and are available in a variety of colors and finishes. Aluminum patio doors. Love's Park are known for their strength and sleek design. These doors are lightweight yet sturdy, offering a modern look that complements contemporary homes. Aluminum patio doors. Love's Park are resistant to corrosion and require minimal upkeep, making them a practical choice for busy homeowners.